Hello, I am Diane Huth, the Accidental Career Coach.
It's all really very simple. You need to realize that you are a brand, and you have to market and position yourself like a brand. You need to master to establish your own personal brand. You must create a strong brand name, a persuasive story, and a memorable visual presence. You have to communicate how you will add value and define and exploit your competitive advantages. So think of yourself like that bottle of wine. Your background makes you who you are in the market. Your education, your work experience, volunteer work, habits, and personal values. So before you can be in consideration, you need to express who you are so people know if you are what they're looking for. You must find ways to stand out from all the other brands by creating and expressing your personal brand. That includes how you present yourself, what you say, what you do, what you wear, and how you act. I look forward to guiding you step by step through the process of creating and nurturing your personal brand.